There are some places that feel carefully designed, and others that feel like they grew naturally around the land beneath them. Dublin, Ohio somehow feels like both. Just outside Columbus, this city blends public art, riverfront spaces, local history, and unexpected landmarks into something far more memorable than you might expect. And today, we're taking a step through it. High above the Scioto River stands one of Dublin's most recognizable figures, Leatherlips Monument. The massive stone sculpture honors Chief Shatiaronia, better known as Leatherlips, a Wyandot leader remembered for trying to preserve peace during Ohio's early frontier conflicts. Standing here overlooking the river, the monument almost feels timeless. The trees sway below, the river curves through the valley, and for a moment, modern Dublin feels very far away. Not far from here sits one of the strangest public art installations in the country. Field of Corn. More than 100 human-sized concrete ears of corn stand in perfectly organized rows across the field. It's unusual, a little surreal, and impossible to ignore. Officially titled Field of Corn with Osage Oranges. The installation was created to honor the agricultural history that once defined this part of Ohio, before suburban growth transformed the landscape. But Dublin isn't only a city focused on preserving the past. Across the river, the atmosphere changes completely. Bridge Park, modern storefronts, rooftop restaurants, walking paths and public gathering spaces line the waterfront. And connecting both sides of the city is the sweeping pedestrian bridge stretching across the Scioto River. Especially in the evening, the bridge lights reflect off the water and turn the riverfront into something almost cinematic. And not every part of Dublin's history is centuries old. Few names became more recognizable in American fast food than Wendy's. Near the company's headquarters stands a statue honoring founder Dave Thomas, the businessman whose small restaurant idea eventually became one of the most recognizable fast food chains in the world. For many people, Wendy's is just a quick meal. But here in Dublin, it's also part of the city's story. And maybe that's what makes this place interesting. Dublin doesn't feel trapped in history, but it also hasn't completely let go of it either. Dublin is a city where very different stories somehow fit together. And sometimes, the most interesting places aren't defined by one landmark, but by the way everything connects. The history between steps. Thank you for taking a step with me.